Good morning. So I've come over today to do a nice harvest. It's a beautiful Sunday morning and I've seriously neglected the garden the last week due to work commitments, but yeah, I just need to get on top of things and do all my little odd jobs. And I've even noticed that there's some tomatoes in the greenhouse which are looking amazing. I've already been picking some cherry tomatoes out with a mini polytunnel as well. So yeah, there's loads to harvest today, so let's just get it all done. So what I thought I'd do now is I'll just give you a quick look around of all the jobs that need to be done, and like everyone else's allotment, it can look amazing 1 minute and then it can just drastically drop down. The runner beans are now shooting up the canes and stuff, so that's a good sign. And yeah, there's just so much to do and it looks like the place has been trashed, but weather always battles it, so let's just get it all done. Come on, let's go. As always, let's start from the top. So it's not looking too bad, but I'm going to harvest the garlic today, the elephant garlic, and clear out this bed because I still haven't put my leeks in. I can see that some of the red onions have gone to seed, standard, but all the rest are looking okay. Cauliflowers and broccoli are looking amazing. The potatoes now are dying back, the first earlies. The runner beans, they're all flowering. I wonder if there's a bean on here yet. Not yet, but these are the runner beans off Terry King. And I've also got my Blauhill this year. Now the slugs are attacking these and they're just knocking up the canes, so I've got some that are going up here, but I might have to re-sow there and hope for the best because I really want runner beans. So this needs to be addressed drastically, and I'm sure yours is all doing the same. Those slugs will constantly battle you back and back and back, and runner beans are one of the worst ones for me, so I will plant some more and sow some more. I've got some spares down there, so I'm going to wait till they get a bit higher and then I'm going to mother them. Let me show you the sweet peas. This colossal of sweet peas are shooting up. I need to, trim it back, and well, it's just taken over. It's gone out right outside the structure now. So, and also my sunflowers are looking amazing, so they're coming up. The strawberries, I can't keep up with the strawberries. So many strawberries now. And also an exciting time, we have grapes, so all the grapevines are coming up and I can look through and I can see bunches of grapes already forming, so I'm excited about that again this year. So the corn is looking grand, I must admit. So it's shooting up quickly. These are the last of the spring cabbages now. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a nice big harvest today and have a nice roast or something. And my courgettes are coming. These are the green ones, and weirdly my yellow one I haven't put in yet, so I'm going to do that today as well. Yellow courgettes I find are a lot sweeter. I just think they're a better taste, and they're amazing in like pasta bakes, and I just find they're just a better flavour. Let me show you my tomatoes. So these are the ananas noir. They're just amazing. I thought that was something, a bit of soil. So I've already got some tomatoes shooting up, and I think there's some more over this side as well. So these are the tigerellas. As you can see, there's a little bit of a striping coming on the tomatoes. So it's turned into a bit of a jungle here. Oh, and there's some more on here as well. I'm guessing this is a tigerella as well. No, it's an Elsa Craig tomato. It's just turned into a jungle. We've got cucumbers over there and everything's working amazing in here, but I just got so many things to plant out, and yeah, you know what it's like. The strawberries on the baskets are still producing. They just constantly give me those extra bits of fruit when I pop in here, and it smells amazing. We all say we produce all this food to take home, but a lot of the fruit stays on that plot and becomes plot snacks. So speaking of which, my sugar snap peas. So I've left some to pod up because I find that I like these as well. So you can open them. You can open them up and look at that, beautiful peas. So I didn't get no plums this year, but the apples, a lot of them are dropping off, which is standard, but look at this. There's an abundance of apples that I'm going to have, so I'm not worried, and this tree has got plenty for me for September. So I've got raspberries coming. I've even planted in some extra pumpkins here. I need to seriously weed. So the tomato plants are looking amazing now. These bush tomatoes, these are the house tomato plants, and as you can see, they're all flowering up now, and I need to seriously go through this and weed it and give it a good weed. The chickens, God bless them, They're going through a molting season now, so there's feathers everywhere. But yeah, they've come to you because they know that is they want their snacks. You can have them in a minute, girls. So I've got loads to harvest and replant and put things in. I desperately need to put my leeks in today, without a doubt. I'm about a month or so late, but don't fear, you know, like everyone seems to think like because they see other people doing them at a certain time, it just means you'll have them a bit later. But today is the day I need to put my leeks in. Otherwise I'm not going to have any for winter, and they're crying to go in. So let's get that done. So this just goes to show that you don't need to have brand new shiny tools from the garden centre. I know I love a gadget and whatnot, but this was just an old repurposed spade handle. It was given to me by an old gentleman when I first started here, and sadly he's passed away now. So in memory of Glyn, I'm going to be using his handmade dibber for his leeks. And yeah, so let's get this done because this will take pride and place in my shed. So I've got a few types of leeks that I've grown. I've got a giant leek here, an elephant leek which is similar, and also my musselburgh. As you can see, it looks like grass now. I'll just pop it out, good root formation, and I'll just break this apart and get the biggest ones out I want and pop them in the holes. So I've added all the leeks into the holes now, and all you do is just get a watering can, fill up each hole with some water to let the leeks settle to the ground, and you don't fill in the holes or nothing, just let nature do its thing. And in a few months, beautiful leeks for you to harvest for stews, casseroles, and to roast and cook. Oh, beautiful. So I'm sure some of you are wondering why I've planted them a little bit closer than normal. But I just find that having them a little bit closer, it does stunt their growth a bit, and they're just a perfect size for me then, for a single person or for two people. So there's no point having huge leeks if you're just going to use it just for yourself. So that's the reason why I've done it. Right, let's harvest. I've said it a million times, but I'll say it again. You just cannot beat Charlotte potatoes. They're waxy and they're just clean, and they're a good cropper every time. So I don't know why I try other, variations, but for taste and for texture and for croppers, Charlotte's always a winner for me. Right, let's finish the harvest and head home. So I hope you've enjoyed this today. It was just a little mishmash of all the little jobs I needed to get done. There's always a million more to do, as you know, but happy gardening everyone, and I'll see you all again soon.